Well, my lady, the lights are all green for you now. Green for glory.
Tasha would have loved this journey.
Yes, she would. And she'd love it that you were with me now.
Stoke up the magic in the mountain, and the lady will smile. But what's the rest of Mr. Conductor's clue?
Lily, look! The railroad's getting its energy back.
Thomas! Grandpa, we're nearly there. I can see the buffers.
Get ready, lady.
She's done it, Grandpa. She's done it. We're on the island of Sodor. Stop, Grandpa. Stop, lady. Mr. Conductor, this is my grandpa.
I'm glad you were able to find your way back. Junior, do you realize who this is?
I reckon this is one beautiful engine. This is a lost engine. Oh, are we glad to see you? Now we can go back to shining time.
Junior, we won't make it back to shining time without the gold dust. Without it, the magic can't exist.